My name is Mustafa Ikeljic. I'm a product manager for software at Datron AG. We're building milling machines, aluminium, and what you will see at the EMO, our portfolio of the machine, from the small machine to the big machine. So you have different ways to build. So our goal is to set, like you can read here, milling has never been easier. Why? Because we have developed our own control system for the machine. So it's easy to use like a printer, I would say. So if you use a printer at home, you don't care about how it works. Only you have to fill is the paper or something you need. So the biggest advantage we have is to set up the workpiece. So to set up a workpiece is one thing that needs a lot of time in a production. So we have something completely new. So we have a built-in camera in the machine systems. So you can see we are on simulated. You can see your table, so you can put your workpiece everywhere you want. So we see we have a loaded program in the machine control. So we said origin is on the top right. So only things we need to do is to draw. So, and now you have to put this button and the machine is measuring. So this is an easy way to set up your machine for your control, for building your parts, for milling everything. So for us, it's very important to say new AI or something like that will always support the people at the beginning.